Hello, and welcome back to the final session of our six-part virtual Scott County RISE Resources for Inclusive Success and Employment training series. Intended to support business leaders on their journey towards building inclusive and welcoming workplaces, these trainings focus on the fundamentals of hiring, training, and retaining employees for long-term employment success. We will provide a high-level recap of our previous sessions, but if you have not yet viewed the first 5 parts of this series, I encourage you to do so. Today's session brings together the fundamental concepts previously discussed and will highlight how successful Minnesota businesses address employment challenges by developing innovative programs and utilizing local resources and partnerships. Let's start with an overview of our previous sessions. Series Recap. In the first 5 sessions of this series, we focused on the fundamentals of inclusion and what it truly means to build an inclusive workplace environment. We also highlighted the business benefits of inclusive workplaces, which includes increased productivity and financial performance and higher employee engagement and retention. We also reviewed hiring, training, and retention best practices, such as developing innovative internal programs, upskilling employees, creating career pathways, and investing in the future success of your employees. Now, let's see a few of these concepts in action and share successful examples of this work being done in the community. Establishing community partnerships. Partnering with community-based organizations and utilizing local and regional resources to resolve workforce challenges remains an opportunity for many Minnesota businesses. The nonprofit landscape in Minnesota is vast, diverse, and a strong contributor to Minnesota's economy. Local nonprofits intersect a variety of industries such as healthcare, social services, mental health, education, employment services, and many more. By establishing relationships with external partners, businesses can better connect with underrepresented communities or individuals on the economic sidelines, offer tailored and unique experiences for employees, and address barriers to employment like education, transportation, or skills gaps. Businesses first must identify their existing workforce challenges and can then tailor these partnerships with organizations who specialize in these areas. Whether you have opportunities to build stronger cultural competency among employees or are looking to provide solutions like English language learning, childcare services, or transportation solutions, there are many nonprofits well suited to help. Now, let's see this business-nonprofit partnership in action. Take, for example, a local business that was struggling with transportation and language challenges from their employees. They hosted what they referred to as a nonprofit open house. The organization invited about a dozen local nonprofits on site for a presentation about their business and outlined their existing workforce challenges. They then opened up the conversation to the local nonprofits to see who, if anyone, had recommendations on potential solutions or partnership opportunities. That open house resulted in partnerships to provide on-site English language learning to employees and transportation solutions. This is one creative and effective way to survey the local nonprofit landscape and identify opportunities for collaboration and innovative workforce solutions. Mi Casa, which is an acronym for the Spanish words for community, comunidad, support, apoyo, solidarity, solidaridad, and friendship, amistad, is a local nonprofit based in Shakopee focused on raising awareness about mental health challenges and establishing healthy lifestyles in the community. Mi Casa offers cultural navigation services where individuals can act as mentors who serve to assist community members in navigating cultural change, connecting employees with resources and services, provide financial assistance, and transportation. Their services are all free of charge and available in both English and Spanish. Businesses may partner with or direct employees to Mi Casa's services to eliminate barriers and foster an inclusive work environment. As mentioned in the previous example, partnering with an organization like Mi Casa can offer a variety of services and support your employees that may eliminate barriers to employment and help to create an inclusive workplace. The other local resource worth exploring is the Community Resource Center. This nonprofit plays an important role in the community through its broad reach and wide range of services. The Community Resource Center focuses on embracing and elevating culture, relationships, and providing access and resources to those in need. From healthcare and housing support to career assistance or education support, they are focused on driving positive change in the community. With established partnerships with the public school system, Shakopee Chamber of Commerce, and the Community Development Agency, connecting with the Community Resource Center should be a business priority of yours. Other resources worth mentioning are Career Force, focused on serving both employees looking for work and businesses looking for workers, and the Southwest Intermediate District 228 that provides a number of different programs for youth and adult learners, including free English language learning, GED preparation, and family literacy classes. These resources can be used to support employees and eliminate barriers to employment. Conclusion: the local and nonprofit communities are often untapped resources available to Minnesota businesses. And as workforce challenges continue to arise, now is the time for businesses to develop collaborative solutions and rethink their hiring and retention strategies. Embracing the uniqueness and variety that exists in our workforce and prioritizing strategies to both train and retain the full spectrum of talent available to you and your organization is a business imperative. The future of work should be inclusive, and by using the concepts and resources outlined in this training series, you should be prepared to not only build a stronger organization, but also make a lasting impact on the community. Thank you again for joining us in this Scott County Rise training series, and for more resources and information on inclusive hiring practices, visit our website.